Do you need a new key for your Honda vehicle? Well, I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company, and I've got a solution for you that's going to save you a ton of money over the cost of car dealership charges. Check out this key. It's been held together with a rubber band, it's falling apart, and it was the only key for their vehicle. I'm going to show you how this programming device can program additional keys for your Honda vehicle. Let me show you just how easy it is to use this programmer from Tom's Key Company. Before you can program your new key, you need to get it cut. Tom's Key Company has our Key by Photo service. When you check out from our website, you can select to have us cut the key before we ship it to you. And then you'll simply take 3 photos of your existing key, upload those after you've placed your order. Using the photos you provide, we'll cut your new key to match, and then when it arrives, it's already cut and ready to be programmed to your vehicle. With your existing key and the new key cut, we're ready to get this key programmed. And it's important to note, you must have a working key that starts the vehicle to use our programming equipment. If you don't have a working key, you're going to have to get a dealership, a locksmith, somebody to make you a new key for your vehicle. After that's done, then Tom's Key Company can help you make a second key for your vehicle. I'm really excited to show you this option to erase lost keys. For this demonstration, I have 3 keys. First, the original key with the tile key finder on it. Second, this key without the buttons. Pretend it was a lost key. Maybe you're at the park and this key got lost and you're concerned someone might find it and try to steal your car. Or maybe you bought the vehicle used and it came with only 1 key. Of course, when it was brand new, there were 2, maybe 3 keys. So somebody out in the world might have a key to your vehicle. And then third, this is the new spare key we're going to program to the vehicle. So when all is said and done, you'll have 2 keys that work. The original one, and then this new spare key. That key that's lost out in the world will have been erased. Heads up, the printed manual is going away. Instead, easy to follow online instructions are being rolled out. So grab a smartphone and it will walk you through each step of the key pairing process. You have 2 options. First, you can simply add another key, or you can erase lost keys and then add your new keys back in. The process is similar and the instructions will walk you through step by step. Looking in the manual, there's a primary dial position and an alternate. On this 2013 Honda Odyssey, the primary position is 1, alternate is 2. We're going to start by turning it to position number 2. So we're going to take our working key, put it in, start the engine. Then you need to plug in the programmer. Now for the programmer to communicate to your vehicle, you need to come down by the gas and brake pedal, look around until you find the OBD2 port. It's often white, sometimes black. Plug the programmer in. You hear it beep. That lets us know it's plugged in. That tells us to put on the seatbelt. That's not required, but it helps keep the programmer from some annoying beeps, so it's highly recommended you do that. I'm going to push the button on the end of the programmer, and it beeps. Now listen for it to beep twice. There, it beeped twice, so that lets us know to turn the engine off. And remove the key. Now, we take the new key, put it in the ignition, turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine. It beeped twice. Now we're going to turn it off, listen for the beep. There. We're going to turn the engine on, listen for the beep. It will take 10 seconds the second time. Okay, there's a double beep. Turn it off, beep. Now turn it on again with the same key. Okay, that's successful. I'm going to unplug the programmer. Now we're going to start the engine. Now this one still works, our original key. And any other keys in the world, in this case, this one, right, if this had been lost, it doesn't work anymore. So watch. See that? The engine died. It'll try to start, but it won't run. You also know it's not working because of the blinking key symbol. That's another sign that this key is no good for the vehicle. Remember, here's our original key. locks and unlocks. Now let's take the new key. Locks, unlocks, let's check the slider doors. Last but not least, let's check the panic button. All right, everything works. At Tom's Key Company, we want to provide exceptional customer service so that when you order a key from us, you get it made and working for your vehicle, and if for some reason it won't work, reach out to us through email, help@tomskey.com, where we'll take great care of you. And if we can't help you troubleshoot it and solve the problem, send it all back to us. We'll give all your money back. That's our full money back guarantee. We look forward to helping you get new keys for your vehicle in no time. And you'll have new keys for your vehicle, and you'll have new keys for your vehicle in no time. And you'll have new keys for your vehicle, and you'll have spare keys for your Honda vehicle in no time.
Oh, is he still watching? What is he waiting for? Tomskey.com. How much easier can it get? TOMSKEY.com.